I would be taking example for this position, software engineer 2 Android. Currently, as you can see that it only has 0 applicants. Nobody has applied to this position, and it is also paying very well, around $1,14,000 per year. And this is a very great and handsome amount when you convert this into rupees in Pakistan. Hello and welcome back with another episode of Agent Imtiaz. Today I will be demonstrating how you can apply for remote international positions from Pakistan, India and Bangladesh. So I have actually targeted LinkedIn for achieving this goal, and you can see that my LinkedIn profile is opened up, and we are going to hunt some of the US, UK and Singapore, different these kind of countries to target the remote opportunities. So if you are a software engineer, you are a digital marketer, and you have very good understanding of your background, your field of area, and you want to earn in dollars, you can choose this path to apply to the remote opportunities in US, UK. So the first step, as you know, that to operate in LinkedIn, your profile should be up to date, and I would be coming to that area in my later videos, but today I would be showing you how to hunt on different jobs. Let's say you have your profile up to date and we are going to hunt the jobs. Okay, we go to the jobs portal here. I think here usually we have Pakistan selected here. We would switch it to worldwide, right? And once we select worldwide here, then the whole game starts by applying the right filters, which are going to give you most of the chance to get the job. You have to go to the filters. You have to select past 24 hours because we need to be the first ones who are applying to the job which is posted. We select 24 hours past. We select you can see that this is the important parameter. We need to select remote, and we can select under 10 applicants, because we want, as I mentioned earlier, we want to be the first ones who are applying for the job. We let it show the result, but filtering is not over. We would filter again to some of the countries which we need to filter. Let's select Los Angeles, New York, San Francisco, Phoenix, Atlanta, Washington DC, all of US based cities, right? And then you can see that there are a lot of opportunities, around 443 opportunities appear, which are actually remote based and contain very less applicants. So this is going to keep you apart from rest of the applicants from all over the world. I would be taking example for this position, software engineer 2 Android. Currently, as you can see that it only has 0 applicants. Nobody has applied to this position, and it is also paying very well, around $1,14,000 per year. And this is a very great and handsome amount when you convert this into rupees in Pakistan. So let's say that your background is actually software development and you have expertise in Android and you want to earn in US dollars, then this is the perfect opportunity I think you can hunt, which has 0 applicants, right? And your profile is up to date, right? You come down and you first need to see like what are actually their requirements. You can read the responsibilities. Actually, they are looking for 3 years of hands-on experience in Android. They require a BS in computer science. They need someone who has experience with Kotlin, RX Java, and these kind of technologies. But still, if you think that you don't have exactly this match of expertise, but you have 3 years of experience in Android development, you should definitely apply and give it a shot, as nobody has applied for it, and you would be the first one who is applying, and there is a lot of chance that you get an interview and obviously get selected. So this is a very good place. You can hunt different jobs. We are actually looking for dollar-based, US-based jobs in LinkedIn. You can also see there are a lot of opportunities available. Mostly are in remote phase, right? Let's say we select this building automation estimator. This is a completely remote based job. They have mentioned it. Only 4 applicants are there, and it was posted around 19 hours ago, and it is also paying a great and handsome amount of salary, around 90K per year. So if you see that what are their requirements, they are actually looking for someone who has estimate and analysis experience. They are looking for someone who has a construction management degree or bachelor's in engineering. They are looking for someone who has estimation experience, 3 years of estimation experience. So if you have worked in construction industry and have 3 years of experience or more in estimation field, you can definitely apply for this position, and you can see that there are only 4 applicants in this position. If you apply, there is a 100% chance for you to get an interview call. So that's pretty much it. That summarized the video of today. That summarizes how you can hunt, if you are in Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, how can you hunt international opportunities. In US you can earn in international currency like in dollar or in euros, and this would also give you a great chance to tap into the international market and gain more experience in that market. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe for more informative similar kind of videos. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.